Making egg rice. You can also call it as egg fried rice or egg biryani. So first for that we heat up the oil and then we put in mustard seeds and let it sizzle for a while. And then for the other spices we need curry leaves, cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves, ginger garlic paste and green chili. For masala we need cumin, garam masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, cut onion, eggs and cooked rice. Okay, next we add in cloves. Then we add cardamom. Then, sorry, just now I add cinnamon stick. Okay, next we add in ginger garlic paste. We add in ginger garlic paste. And then we add in curry leaves. And then we add in green chili and then just stir for a while until it's cooked. Okay, and then we added a little bit of dried red chili for the extra spiciness and then just stir it for a while. Okay, now we will add in onions and let the onion become brown. Saute the onion for about 3 seconds until the onion caramelizes. Okay, next we add all the spices that I mentioned just now. And then stir it, let the spices cook for a little minute. Okay, next add some water. Okay, once the spices has cooked, you just keep it aside like this and add a little bit more oil. Next, add in eggs. Okay, and let the eggs cook for a little while so that when you later cut off the eggs, it will be cooked into pieces. Okay, add in some pepper. Add in salt. Salt is next. Okay, let the egg cook for a little bit and then we're going to cut them into pieces. Okay, now I'm going to break the egg pieces. Okay, the egg will cook like this. This is the consistency we're looking for. Okay, now since the egg has already been cooked, we're going to add. Okay, now we will add the cooked rice. So add in all the cooked rice and start stirring. Now I'm just making sure the rice has all the masala and egg. Okay, now the egg rice is ready to be served. You can also eat it just like that or you can eat it with pickles or curd or any curry.